Good evening, educators. Today again I am going to show you how query works in Google Sheets using logical operators and or. So last time I showed you that a complete column I had to copy to the another tab of the sheet who belonged to the particular house. But that list was the mixed list in which boys and girls both were there. And today I'm going to show you or create two columns for the house. One column will have the boys list and another column will have the girls list. So let's start. For that I have already created a tab and I have written the column titles or headers, and here in the second row I'm going to put the query. So how to put the query, just see, equal query then data source. So data source is in the form of the array, and we know how to put the array. It should be in the braces. So I have started the brace and go to the resource. So resource is there. I have to select the entire sheet as source. So this way I will select the entire sheet, and after selecting the entire sheet I have to close the brace like this and put the comma and apply the query, SQL query. So the query should be in double quotes. Select which column I wanted to select. Column 5 means the name of the students. I can use multiple columns also. I can select multiple columns also, but I'm going to select only one column here, where again, since I am selecting the students of the Ashoka house, and Ashoka house is on column number 20, where column 20 is equal to Ashoka and closed. And since I am going to use the logical operators, so I wanted only girls of the Ashoka house. So I will have to put AND operator here, and then the column where I have used the gender. So this is column number 7. Column number 7 is equal to female. So my condition is combined using the logical operator. Double quotes, condition is over, and there is no header. So I will put 0 here and close the parenthesis and press the enter. Just see here. This is house boys. So I will have to change the value of column 7. So rather than female, I will use male here, and as soon as I press enter, all the boys list will be created of Ashoka house. Similarly, if I copy the same query with female candidates, I will have to copy this formula or the query and paste it in the column or the B column where I will have to copy the girls, names of the girls. So here I just have to change this female and press enter key. So see here, both boys and girls are segregated on the basis of the SQL query. So this way we can apply the query. Thank you.